Welcome to the jandjautowrecking test video of stock number 9490. Should be a 2001 Pontiac Firebird. 115,000 miles on this beauty. She is a 3.8 liter car. Running great. Got the 3800s all do. Like I said in my other video on one of these, man, it's hard to find these. A lot of good parts on this unit. Very, very mild front end collision took this thing off the road. That's sad. Barely a pedestrian hit. Nice looking Firebird though, guys. Honeycomb taillights, single exhaust, all the goodies. Step inside, test some stuff out. Oh man, I haven't been in one of these in a hot minute. Well, it's not a V8 like I had, but it'll do the trick. Power windows are both working. Door mirrors. Wake up, little buddy. It's your time to shine. Well, we got a bad mirror switch. The mirrors work, but both of them don't go up and down because the switch is no bueno. You'll have that on these bigger jobs. Monsoon stereo. Climate control. Do we got air? Oh, I just heard the air kick. This girl's got nice cold air still. Go ahead and test out the transmission. We got reverse. We got drive. Very clean car. .38 runs great. Headlights, they both pop up. Yep, everything's working there. All right, guys, let's put the windows up and call it a wrap on this girl. Oh yeah! Sounds like a high school parking lot in here. V6 Camaros and Firebirds revving up. Nice condition though. Everyone sucks. Guys, that is going to conclude the jandjautowrecking test video of stock number 9490. If you're a 4th gen enthusiast and you're looking for some clean parts, this is going to be your donor. Head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at jandjautowrecking. Stop buying V6 Firebirds.